Slowly.
And my dad.
I'm Dad.
So welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to make the unicorn milkshakes.
So we do have the community got and Maverick Ray got saved, so he just jumped on.
Maverick got shaved. Mav, say hi, Mav.
Fluffy's not so fluffy.
Fluffy's not fluffy.
I'm calling him
Bambi.
Bambi.
All right.
Okay. So for our unicorn milkshakes, first step is ice cream.
We bought
Tracy, put in the ice cream.
and we have sprinkles. These are
2.5 cups of ice cream. Vanilla ice cream.
cheese and food coloring.
One of them is vanilla bean and one of them
Big
is
Baby's not going to look high.
vanilla.
All
Big
right.
Baby's not going to look today.
Hey, can I lick the spoon?
Sure.
Me
Stone.
too.
The milk.
Yeah, look.
2/3 cup milk.
Mix this food with pebbles. Good night, milk. Have a good day. We have
All right.
Yeah.
Cover.
Bobby,
Can you push it? Wait. Let me get the lid off. There's power. All right. So let me put
Plug your ear.
Hi.
You're hearing this.
30 seconds. Now, next step is we have 4 food colorants.
I want blue.
You want to do the blue?
Yeah.
What color you want to do?
I'll do the purple.
We have to
Purple?
get top off
Okay.
first. And then, Bobby, if it's goopy, then
Then I'm going to do pink next.
You pour a little bit of ice cream into each bowl, and then each bowl gets
And you can
food
mix it
coloring.
with these because we
Mix it with
use
that.
these for package size. Bobby, you can get like that.
Because every single Sunday
Wait for me. Let me
pancakes
pour.
and bacon, and then
Pour a
Saturday you
little
make
bit in.
eggs and
We can
sometimes
mix
cereal.
it with these.
And soon we're gonna be making videos of all the shapes that Poppy makes the pancakes in, right?
Oh,
We get
yeah.
to do it.
He makes mermaid tail pancakes,
Cheeseburgers, hot dogs,
cheeseburger
sunsets,
shapes,
And happy face.
hearts,
And Bobby makes happy face.
mermaid tails,
And we're gonna get a
unicorns. All
All
right,
right.
let's
I
put the
think
food
3
coloring.
drops.
Ah,
3 drops. 1,
Three.
2, 3.
do it. And
Okay.
then we
Now
mix.
I'll do
Do
this
that
one.
Yeah, so you start
Now
mixing.
mix.
One.
Babe, I think you should get more forks.
It's like the ocean, and then
Mine's going to be like lavender.
I'll finish. Happy, you look like the Happy, like mine is like the ocean.
Guys, look at mine.
What's that? I think I'm done mixing these.
Whoa, they look beautiful.
Happy, I want to mix
And
it.
animal food coloring.
Yeah, if you want to make it a little bit darker.
I'll mix mine.
Sloan, yours is pretty dark. I think we should add more to the green.
Or to the green.
A little bit.
I just licked the spoon.
Into the spoons.
Alright, so let me borrow your let me borrow your thing.
No, get a new one.
Have a
Oh,
wet.
Donny boy.
Now you're gonna mix the colors, and then that's not gonna be good.
Sonny, you got enough.
Sloanie, that's enough.
I got cook it and I
Alright, we ready?
All right.
These will look.
Now what happens?
Get the cups.
Oh, the cups. Here you go, guys.
Put it right there. Ta-da.
Here's one. Here's two.
Okay, you guys want all colors?
Yeah, it's like a rainbow.
You get, each get 4?
I want mine too. I want mine.
All 4.
Yeah, you need to mix all the colors.
I do this part.
Oh my god. What's up this today?
Half and half. Let's see. This looks so cool. Oh, look at this.
I think that I got more than Sony, but I like being the oldest.
It's okay.
I can always be the oldest.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's always
I
gonna be
see
the
the
oldest.
smallest, biggest.
Oh my gosh, I'm not seeing that. That literally looks nothing. Look at that, like
Have a
A little watery.
Oh my gosh, but
most of it's just blue.
What are we going
Wait, you still have to add another color.
I'll add my. We have a.
Ooh, this is my sprinkles.
Yeah, we all.
But I remember this from
Because
the
Bobby
movie.
doesn't want because that's why he doesn't know.
Oh, you see this?
Unicorn milkshakes.
Yeah, Bobby does, Bobby. So that.
Those are
And then
cool.
the straws.
And then get the straws.
Wait, straws are last.
Whoa, look at this,
Okay.
how cool. Put
What,
your
jelly beans?
sprinkles.
He does not get me.
They're gummy bears, Bobby.
Well, I don't want anything on mine. I
You're
just
not
want
gonna
my
put
simple-
sprinkles or nothing?
Yeah, I'll speak it too.
Yes.
Can't open it.
Okay, put some sprinkles.
I'll get them.
Ooh, guys, look at mine.
Let's
Get
see.
them.
You can see like all of like this.
Whoa, beautiful.
See what happens with-
Can you give
when
me
you start with it.
sprinkles?
Okay, but are you gonna eat the gummies? Oh, oh.
Sonny, you want sprinkles?
Oh, no.
You want these sprinkles?
Mmm,
How does it taste?
Bobby, what
it's delicious.
So it's a thumbs up or thumbs
Sonny
down?
has to taste it.
Thumbs up, let's see. But Sloan's eating all the gummies.
Try your milkshake.
Bobby.
Let me taste the difference. Let me taste the difference. They're both very good.
They're good? So thumbs up, guys? Yes, it's a good recipe?
Unicorn milkshakes.
Awesome. All right.
is?
You guys, this is what I'm dying to make. Let me see. A unicorn mocktails.
Next time. That'll be our next video.
Look, this one.
Next time we're going to make and show you guys how to make some galaxy mocktails. All right,
Doing
guys.
good for now?
That's a wrap. In 5,